Good afternoon. Google just reported quarterly earnings. What we would like to show you is that the Google name itself is up 40 handles. They beat on the top line and bottom line. So we're going to find out a lot more about what the conference call has to bring. One of the things that we can tell you is that from the last quarter they had troubles. So they beat by 30 cents. They report the revs are in line. I repeat, revs are in line. Google segment revs were 13.77 billion, or 92% of the consolidated revenues in the third quarter of 2013, representing a 19% increase year over year. Google owned sites generated segment revenues of 9.93 billion, or 68% of the total Google segment revenues. So you can clearly see that from the last quarter that they did slightly better, and it's getting this gap. Aggregated paid clicks increase approximately 26% year over year, an increase of approximately 8%. Average cost per click decreased, which they've had a problem with. It's decreased in those clicks. That's how they make money. One of the things that we can say is a Motorola mobile segment operating loss in the third quarter of 2013 was 248 million, or 21% of the Motorola mobile segment revenues. That's a very important thing. Net cash provided by operating activities in the third quarter of 2013 totaled 5.08 billion, which is about in line with estimates. You can clearly see that we're pumping right up here, 43 points higher compared to the last quarter in July when it dropped 60 some dollars. So as we get on the conference call, we're going to find out more about it. Revenues rose 31.4% year over year to 14.89 billion versus the 14.8 billion, just slightly above the revenue. So it's not a huge beat, but it is enough to get the stock moving in after hours. We will update the conference call when we find out more about the various different components.